So I think one of the best ways to make money online is to do it with high ticket products. Over the last 10 years, I've made a full-time income online, and a majority of that income has come from high ticket products. And there's multiple reasons on why you will want to use high ticket products to make money online. And we're going to dive into all of those in this video. And I'm going to take you through this step by step. You won't need to have your own email list. You won't even need to have your own website. And I'm going to show you everything that you need to know and explain to you why I think you should jump into high ticket products, because it's much easier to make money online with these. So let's jump into this and I will explain everything you need to know about making money online with high ticket products. Now we're still doing the giveaway, guys. Information for that will be in the description. So first of all, before we actually get started with this, what is a high ticket product? It can be in any specific niche. It can be a $2,000 product, a $10,000 product, a $20,000 product. It could be a physical product, like let's just say this sells for, I don't know, $2,000 for example, even though that wouldn't, but it could be any specific product. It could be a software, it could be a course, it could be anything. A lot of people think high ticket products are just courses. That is not the case. You can have a Shopify store where you sell $5,000 barbecues. That is a high ticket product. What I want to do is I want to dive into this specific product here that has just come up. Now I've actually promoted this and made a little bit of money, and that's why I want to talk about this specific product and why this is a good example of a high ticket product that you can make money with online. So this is called affiliate marketing. So you actually find these specific products and you promote them and you get a commission. So let's just do a little bit of a deep dive on this specific product before we move into the other information, how you can make money with this. So if we look into this product, this is called simpler traffic. So what this means is this product is based around getting traffic to people's businesses and websites online. So that's the first thing we need to determine. What is this about? What is our target audience? So our target audience is people who are looking to get traffic to their business. Now, if we scroll down, I'm not going to go over every single thing that we need to go over here because a lot of this doesn't really matter. Like obviously you'll know the dates when you do it, but let's go over the pricing structure of this first, and then we'll scroll back up to the top. So this is the pricing structure. We have what is called a front end. So there's multiple pricings for the front end. One price, if you pay full, is $2,500. You get 50% of this if you promote this specific product, or they can do $47 per month and you'll get 50% of, 25% commission of that one. Or they can do a $997 split 3 times, 50% commission from that, or 25% commission on the $47 a month. Actually, I think the $47 a month could actually be what people pay as well after they pay that. So that's very high ticket. So not only are you getting the full 50% commission on the full pay, you're getting 25% commission on the monthly subscription that they pay after that. Then there's a one-time offer which gets offered after, which is $497 to $4,997, and that's a 40% commission. Very high ticket right there. And then there's an upsell and a downsell, which is very standard stuff in this industry. We have a downsell of $297 a month, and then we have a subscription here as well of $297. The reason why I promote these is because essentially we can actually make a lot of money in something called the pre-launch. So let me kind of explain it to you as best I can. There's a thing called a pre-launch where you send people to this specific product. It's not live yet, but you're warming them up for the launch. And what happens is the person that makes the product does like a competition, right? So for example, $1 per lead in the pre-launch, and then there's a prize pool in the pre-launch. So $10,000 in pre-launch prizes. I think it's around about $3 for the top, $3,000, sorry, for the top person in this one. We can look at the leaderboard soon. What that means, and this is how I structure my promotions, is if I'm getting $1 per lead, and I could potentially win a share of $10,000, but let's just go off the $1 per lead. All I would need to do is spend $1 to get a lead, and I get my money back. No, I wouldn't make any profit in the pre-launch, but I would be building up that list for them to then promote the main product where we would make lots of money, right? That's how this works. And that's where a lot of people get this stuff completely wrong. What they do is they either don't do the pre-launch at all, and they miss out on all of those that build up lead and hype, and they just go down and do the actual launch, or they do this all wrong and they try to make a profit in the pre-launch. So for example, they don't want to spend money on advertising because they might spend over $1 per lead, if that makes sense. What I do is I am willing to spend at least $1 per lead or even $2 per lead in advertising costs in the pre-launch to get the hype going because I know that I could make money on the actual launch. And that's how a lot of businesses actually function. Some businesses will make a loss for years before they actually start to make a profit. And one of the best things I like about promoting high ticket products is you get all of the information that you need and you don't have to go and create your own product. For example, if I had a e-commerce Shopify store, right, and I wanted to promote a high ticket product, I would have to usually go and create that product myself, the branding and everything like that, because it's quite hard to, do all the testing or go ahead and find the product. With a digital product like this, for example, all of the information is sent to me. So here is all the information here that was sent to me regarding this product on Skype when I signed up. We have everything that we need. So all of the information, but more importantly, we have what we call email swipes. So we have our affiliate links here. We have affiliate swipe pages. That's email swipes that we can use. So emails we can use to promote this. And then there's some information down here as well. But more importantly, it's got everything that we actually need. And then the pricing structure as well again. So now let's get into how could you make money with this if you potentially want to get into this. What I would highly recommend you do is you focus your campaign based on the pre-launch. So set yourself a budget on the pre-launch. So the pre-launch is $1 per lead. Let's say you take $1,000 and you're willing to spend around about $1,000 to get 1,000 leads to this company. It would actually be a little bit less than 1,000 because they've got to go through your bridge page and then their bridge page. There's a few ways you can do this. You can do Google advertising. You can go and put a video on YouTube, for example, and you can actually target people who are interested in traffic to their website. You can literally choose it in the targeting audience, and that's why this is so important. What we could do is we could use something like in video here to create a video on how to get traffic for companies. So for example, I'll write something and we'll come back. All right, so what I've done here is I've said, do a video showing people how they can get traffic to their website. Now that's not very optimized for this offer because we're trying to tell people a secret method that we know about, but we're gonna let this do its job and we'll come back in a second. Another way is you could use something like ChatGPT and something like photorealistic to go ahead and create an image that you could potentially use on like Facebook. You could say something like generate a picture of someone struggling to get traffic to their website. Now we could take that prompt into Midjourney and we could tell Midjourney to generate us an image that we could use for Facebook advertising. And then we can go ahead and run advertisements for that specific product. Now you might be wondering, what do you actually send them to? What you want to do is create something called a bridge page. Now, I'll leave some tutorials in the description on how you can do that, but a bridge page is when you send someone to a page where you collect an email. And then what happens is when they put that email in, they then get redirected to the specific offer. So that would be this offer here where we send them to our link. So we get a link here. It says, get your affiliate links page. So I'm going to open that up real quick. So we would send them to what is called an affiliate link, and that would take them to the page where they see the offer or the pre-launch offer. And you can get your affiliate link, for example, from this company by putting in your ClickBank ID and email information, and you'll get what is called an affiliate link. So what happens is you're sending someone from an advertisement to a bridge page, and then that bridge page, they get sent to the actual product, and you also collect the email on that bridge page. So you're not only sending leads to the company that you're promoting, you're actually building your own email list where you can go ahead and promote products in the future. So you could go to something like a website like muncheye.com and you can find tons of products that you can promote to go ahead and make more money in the future. Now, why do I like high ticket products? For example, with this one, if we are making $1,500 per sale, so let's say 50% commission, I would need 100 people to purchase to make $150,000. If we go to this website here and we see all of these other offers that are getting that we could promote, you can get 15% at $17, 50% of $47. We have 50% of $67. 50% of $37. You would need thousands upon thousands of sales to make anywhere close to what you would potentially make with selling a high ticket product. All right, so now this video has been created for me using AI.
Struggling to get traffic to your website? Tired of seeing your visitor count stagnate? Don't worry, you're not alone.
Now it doesn't play the video because you actually have to download it because it needs to export the specific images depending on if you choose the free or paid version. But as you can see, I can use AI to create a video to go ahead and do Google Ads. All right, guys, I wanted to show you this real quickly because a lot of people have been asking me, how can you make money online? What is the best way to make money online? And I believe the best way is to go to a website called muncheye.com, find high ticket products that you can make big commissions from, whether it be in the software space, the course space, whatever you're, or even in e-commerce space. If you can find high ticket products to promote, you can make good money. And the best thing about it is you don't need to create the products yourself. It takes over a year to put something like this together. This is insane. They've got to create the content, create the landing pages, do the webinars, figure out the dates. They've got to go ahead and create these pages right here. They've got to hire affiliate managers. It's an insane job to do, and all you do is sit back, relax, and send traffic to the links. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and this is one of the best ways to make money online.